I'm Art and I'm going to show you how to delete a trip. Maybe you created a trip for testing, or you created a trip and you're not happy with the result and you want to delete it. Now there's two ways to delete a trip, the easy one and a little bit more complex one. Let's go and look at the first one. You go to your trip list, what is the first tab on the bottom bar, you see the trip and you swipe to the left and you see a delete button appearing. I can press the delete button and I can confirm my deletion. Now be aware, when you delete the trip, it's gone. There's no way to recover it. So in this case we will cancel it, because I also want to show you the other option for deleting the trip. We open the trip and there we see below the trip image a little pencil. We can click on the pencil, and this is also where you can change the attributes of your trip. We can scroll down and at the bottom we find the delete. Again, I get a confirmation, I confirm, and the trip will be deleted. And it will be disappearing from my trip list. Now you can continue using Walkabout, go on a trip and have fun.